Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Brown Knives LHC-X here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check this guy out and let's see if we can improve the already pretty cool action. This is running dry, I believe, but let's see how it's made on the inside. And I have to say, construction is lovely because you have two screws. This is a keyed-in pivot, so it's not going to be spinning, so you're gonna need a T8 Torx bit screw just to remove this pivot right over here. But first I want to remove the screw in the back right over here, which is out, and then pivot, which is already out. Let's just pull the blade out like this and remove this pivot. Right over here, we can use this tool to push the pivot out, if we can, something like that. Just use something plastic so you're not gonna ruin anything. So that is done, and look at this. It's apart, so pretty straightforward. Nice ceramic ball bearings, nice titanium backspacer geared up. Looks like it's two pieces, but it's just one. It's milled. It's not milled, sorry, it's just engraved. You have Blaine, Washington, USA, and the model name over here, your stainless steel lock face insert, and it's pretty clean. I knew it, but I just wanted to show you guys how to deal with something like that. And it's pretty straightforward, very easy, and not a big deal to take care of this guy. Nice micarta inlays, titanium backspacer. You have some cool ceramic ball bearings, plastic caged, and what else you've got? Yeah, nice clip. It's nicely done, I have to say, and the action is pretty cool indeed. So let's just do it. This guy can go like this. We're gonna use a little bit of 10 weight nano oil on these bearings, like so, and blade can go right over here. Nice integrated stop pin. You've got the other bearing in. This is a hardened steel spacer / washer to avoid the contact of the ceramic ball bearings up against the titanium, because ceramic is pretty tough material. So there you go. That is basically it. We're gonna do a little bit on the detent ball after, so just remove this guy over here, like so. So we can just pinch it in the exact position, just keep it pressed like that. Pivot is in, and just a little bit, we're gonna fine tune it after. Just flip it over, and handle screw. I love this, just one screw right over here. Very good. So let's just do a little touch of heavier weight nano oil. Let's do the 85 on the ball bearing. I like that, gives a little bit more gliding action, just a little drop. It's sufficient, and then just spread it on the tang of the blade. Let's see if this is pushed in all the way, and if we can actually tune it. Let me see, like so. So blade is definitely centered. Okay. Ooh, wow, guys. Holy cow. Wow, this action has improved. It was running dry, so it's a nice one. Very, very cool action. Would you look at this? That's pretty smooth. The only thing is that the flipper tab, it's a little bit on the small side, so push button works actually. So you're good to go. Light switch is, you kind of like tend to do this movement, but it's manageable. But this action, guys, it is pretty smooth. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.